शान देश की हम संतान हैं, तीन रंगों से रंगा तिरंगा अपनी ये पहचान है। Good morning everyone and we wish you all a very happy Independence Day.
Reverend Father Davis, the manager of our school, Reverend Sister Beena, our principal, Reverend Sisters, respected teachers, parents and all my dear friends. We warmly welcome you all to this celebration. Here I Raghav Pajoria
and I Adit Yadav
are presenting this auspicious event on behalf of Christ Jyoti family.
As we all know that on 15th August 1947, India got its independence from the British rule, and it is indeed the most auspicious day in the history of our nation.
Today we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day. It's the day on which we feel proud to be Indians.
Independence Day is celebrated to commemorate the freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of our country.
Mangal Pandey, who initiated the freedom struggle, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Gandhiji, Subhash Chandra Bose and all others who contributed to India's freedom are being great inspiration to all of us.
This is a special occasion to pay tribute to all these brave souls and their dedication to Mother India. So without any delay, let's start our celebration with a beautiful prayer song and seek blessings of Almighty God.
Respected Reverend Father Davis, the school manager, Reverend Sister Beena, principal of the school, beloved teachers, other staff members, and my dear students. With great happiness and patriotic feelings, today we celebrate the 75th Independence Day of India. Commemoration of our Independence Day always fills us with memories of heroic deeds of our freedom fighters. The freedom that we enjoy today is the fruit of their endless struggle and martyrdom. It is good to remember the first day of independence on 15th August 1947, when all Indians rejoiced without disagreements and petty quarrels. It is apt to pay homage and tribute all who are responsible for making us independent and self-dependent. The marvelous visions and democratic notion of Mahatma Gandhi, other national leaders can never be forgotten. Our motherland has achieved numerous victories and reached the highest of glory. The tremendous achievements in the field of science, technology, health, education, sports, etc. are really commendable. The Olympic medal winners and explorations of our scientists have made India famous all over the world. However, we still need to advance in many spheres of the everyday activities. There are many poor people whose miseries should be elevated. There are several people who regularly become victims of injustice and domestic violence. The evils of casteism, racial rivalry, political feud are still prevalent in our country. The true implication of freedom can be attained only when all these pessimistic elements are fully eradicated. Let us hope and pray that the officials and rulers come forward to wipe out from our motherland all factors that deter our freedom and peace. The children of today are the future citizens and promises of India, and so I urge you to be filled with all noble qualities that a true Indian should possess. I wish all of you a very happy Independence Day 2021. Thank you. Jai Hind.
नमस्कार, मैं आयुष मिश्रा कक्षा 11वीं से आदरणीय प्रबंधक फादर डेविस, आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य सिस्टर बीना, आदरणीय अध्यापकगण, आदरणीय अभिभावकगण, छात्रगण एवं समस्त दर्शकों को 75वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। 15 अगस्त 1947 ऐसा दिन जिसने पूरे विश्व के इतिहास में एक नया अध्याय शुरू किया। हमें विदेशी शासकों से आज़ादी मिली और हमारा देश एक स्वतंत्र राष्ट्र बन गया। परंतु यह इतना सहज नहीं था। जो आज हम स्वतंत्रता का महापर्व मना रहे हैं, उसके पीछे कई निस्वार्थ संघर्ष एवं बलिदान है। आदरणीय महोदयगण, आज़ादी कभी दान में नहीं मिलती। इसका एक मोड़ होता है जो कि हमारे स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने अपना बलिदान देकर चुकाया है। हमारे स्वतंत्रता का इतिहास महात्मा गांधी, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, चंद्रशेखर आजाद जैसे अनगिनत महान नेताओं से भरा हुआ है, जिन्होंने समय समय पर स्वतंत्रता संग्राम का नेतृत्व करके कई कठिनाइयों का सामना करके और यहाँ तक कि अपनी जान गंवा के भी हमें स्वतंत्रता दिलाई। आज पूरा भारत उनको नमन करता है। आदरणीय महोदयगण, आज हमें आज़ाद हुए 75 साल हो गए। हम विश्व में एक स्वतंत्र, प्रगतिशील, शक्तिशाली देश हैं। हम विश्व का सबसे बड़ा लोकतंत्र हैं। हमने विज्ञान, खगोल विज्ञान, चिकित्सा, कृषि, अभियांत्रिकी, कला आदि जैसे विषयों में काफ़ी उन्नति प्राप्त की है। हमने तरह तरह के खेलों में भी काफ़ी उन्नति प्राप्त की है। भारत ने विश्व को योग, अध्यात्म जैसे धरोहरें दी हैं। विश्व की सेनाओं में भारत की सेना का सम्मान से नाम लिया जाता है। भारत जैसा वीरता वाला देश पूरे विश्व में और कहीं नहीं, फिर भी हम एक साथ मिलजुल कर खुशी खुशी रहते हैं। यही तो हमारी सुंदरता है। परंतु आदरणीय महोदयगण, इतना पर्याप्त नहीं। हमें अभी प्रगति का बहुत लंबा सफर तय करना है। पूरे विश्व में प्रथम स्थान पर रहना है। आपसी मतभेदों को भुलाकर भाईचारे के साथ रहना है। गरीबी को दूर करना है और मुझे यह विश्वास है कि हम साथ मिलकर यह अवश्य कर लेंगे। आइए स्वतंत्रता की 75वीं वर्षगांठ पर साथ मिलकर यह प्रण लें कि हम अपने देश को प्रगति के मार्ग पर तेजी से बढ़ाने का पूर्ण प्रयास करेंगे। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
कदे कोई जीत खड़ी था, मुझे कब से इंतजार था आज की शाम का। अब देखो क्या करता है ये बता हिंदुस्तान का। वो किसी के भी आगे झुका नहीं, हाँ मैं हूँ उस देश का। बैठ के ले नजारा इस ट्रेबल और बेस का। सीधा चलूं या चलूं ढाई ढाई चाल, मैं खेल मेरा होगा ये देख लंबी रेस का। ठीक का फैसला है मैं मर के भी चुकाऊंगा, तुझे मिट्टी कर दूंगा या फिर मिट्टी में मिल जाऊंगा। जो भी कहा था मैं वो करके दिखाऊंगा, इंडिया से हूँ खाली हाथ नहीं जाऊंगा। मैं जब तक पकड़ झाड़ दूंगा, तुझको मैं उखाड़ दूंगा। जहाँ से तू आया है ना वहीं तुझे गाड़ दूंगा। तेरी जमीन पे आज तुझे ही पछाड़ दूंगा। झंडा इंडिया का पे गाड़ दूंगा।
Very warm morning to one and all present here. Manager of our school, Reverend Father Davis, our principal, Reverend Sister Beena, Reverend Sisters, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. In this National Celebration Day, we all should feel proud to be a part of India. India is an independent nation that gives us the freedom to follow all our rights. For almost 200 years, we were under the rule of British government. They treated us like slaves, tortured us, and destroyed all our money and resources. But after all the struggle, with the help of freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmi Bai, and many others, Indians fought for their rights and freedom. Almost 74 years ago, on 15th August 1947, India finally got independence from British rule. On this day, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru hosted India's flag on Red Fort, and since then, India celebrates Independence Day across the nation. Independence gave us many benefits, including the right to speech, freedom, education, and many more. Without our patriotic leaders, gaining independence against the British rule was quite impossible. Now, talking about Independence Day, the first thing that comes to our mind are the patriotic leaders who sacrificed their life for the nation. And one of those is Mahatma Gandhi, also known as Father of Nation. We are fortunate that he became the guiding light of our freedom struggle. As much a saint as a political leader, he was a phenomenon that could have happened only in India. Troubled by social strifes, economic causes, climatic changes, people used to seek relief in Gandhi's teachings. His quest for truth and non-violence is the mantra for our independence. We are lucky that our ancestors gave us the land where there is peace and happiness, where we can do whatever we want. Yes, we are free, but there is one responsibility to us towards our country, that we need to prove this love by completing all duties as an Indian. India is our motherland and we are the citizens of this country. We should protect the harmony of our country from the enemies. Now, this is our responsibility to lead our country to become the superpower of the world and to make it the best. Lastly, I would like to say the young generation, which is the future for the country. With youth talents and efforts towards the country, India can succeed more in the future. We need to understand the importance of patriotism and the importance of Independence Day in our life. Together in unity, we can strengthen our life and we can strengthen it for a beautiful future of the country. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I love my India not because it is great, because it is my own. Hi, my name is Karanveer Sukheja. On occasion Independence Day, I am going to perform a patriotic song.
जिससे तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका, जब तक दिल में जान है। आदरणीय फादर मैनेजर, सिस्टर प्रिंसिपल, अन्य सिस्टर्स, सम्मानित अध्यापक वर्ग, अभिभावक एवं प्रिय बच्चों, आप सभी को 75वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज संपूर्ण राष्ट्र आज़ादी का जश्न मना रहा है। 15 अगस्त वर्ष 1947 भारत को ब्रिटिश शासन की परतंत्रता से स्वाधीनता मिली। हर साल जब जब हम यह आज़ादी का जश्न मनाते हैं, तब तब उन वीरों के बलिदानों को याद करते हैं जिन्होंने अपने प्राणों की आहुति दे दी अंग्रेजी हुकूमत को समाप्त करने। हम शिक्षक शिक्षिकाएं होने के नाते हमारी युवा पीढ़ी यानी कल के कर्णधार से भी यही संकल्प चाहते हैं कि उन शहीदों के अथक परिश्रम व बलिदान को हमेशा याद रखें जिन्होंने देश को आज़ाद कराया व अधिक उन्नति और प्रगतिशीलता की ओर देश को अग्रसर करें। अंत में बस यही कहना चाहूँगी कि न पूछो जमाने से कि क्या हमारी कहानी है, न पूछो जमाने से कि क्या हमारी कहानी है हमारी पहचान इतनी कि हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
जवान हिंदुस्तानी जवान
Reverend Sister Beena and other Reverend Sisters, teachers and all my dear students, a very happy Independence Day to you all. Today, we have gathered with great gaiety and fervour to acknowledge our privilege of being born in a free India and to celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. On this day, we not only celebrate our freedom, but also pay tribute to the ones who fought for it, to the ones who held a vision for our country, and to the ones who sacrificed themselves for the same. The great freedom fighters like Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, and many more who struggled for decades. It is because of their dedication, the passion for nationalism didn't subside, and we are able to breathe in an independent nation. India has gone through many wars and emerged as unscathed and victorious. Today, we are collectively facing a COVID-19 pandemic that has created global health crisis and it's a deep impact on our lives. Especially students worldwide have had their education disrupted by the coronavirus outbreak. In order to tackle this issue, we joined our hands in a common endeavor with a strong belief that better days are ahead of us. Freedom is the most fundamental thing in our life. But what does freedom mean to you as a teenager? It's not something to be demanded from your parents, teachers, or any other elders. Instead, it is to make you learn more about how to take care of yourself and interact well with others. For that, you need to learn a worldwide skill that will enable you to become a confident, independent adult. Such as, firstly, you need to manage your time and start to being responsible for your studies. Secondly, being independent at home by learning to cook, clean and do laundry. In these ways, you will be able to grow your abilities and thrive in a changing world. At last, I urge all of you to consider freedom as a gift from our forefathers who fought bravely to achieve it. Let us make them proud and take this nation forward to the pinnacles of glory and success. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.